Hey y'all, it's Nicole with LivingWell Realty. Ooh, it's windy today. Today I'm in Mustang Lakes in Celina to check on the Britton home that's behind me. So they have started bricking and stoning the exterior, and I know that they've got cabinets inside and they painted and tile work and all that stuff. So we're gonna check it out. Let's go. This is almost complete. This looks really good. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love the brick color and the stone that they've chosen. Okay. Very carefully get up to the door so we can go inside and check it out. Okay guys, this is a 4-bed, 3.5-bath house. A nice big 2-story entrance. There's an office immediately to the right as we come in. You've got double doors that have full panels of glass instead of like the dividers that they have on some of the glass. I really like it when it's like this. You have a pop-up ceiling, 2 windows up front. Looks really nice. Coming in a little more. Off to the left, we have one of the secondary bedrooms and a full bath. So you got your full bath here. Tile is up, but there's no lights. So that's about as far in as I can go before you guys will not be able to see anything anymore. And then you have a linen closet here. And then you have another storage closet here. I believe that's a coat closet. Yeah. And then the front room here, 2 windows, nice tall ceilings. And then you have a walk-in closet with hanging on either side. So they've got all the trim up, as you can tell. It looks really, really nice. Doors. Everything's been painted. They're still, apparently there was some kind of a problem here, so they're gonna have to sheetrock. They had to rip it out. They had to pull out whatever was there, so they're gonna have to re-sheetrock and put the door in. Okay, here's a dining room. This ceiling is really nice. It's popped all the way up. It looks really pretty. Those windows there are for aesthetic purposes only, so they're not operable, but they let in light and they're beautiful. They're so pretty. And you have a little butler's pantry on this side, but we're gonna keep going this way. Before we get into the heart of the home, I wanna show you, this is where you would come in from the garage, and the garage is a 3-car tandem. All that means is you have your regular 2-car, and then one side goes in a little bit further. So you could get another car back here, or lots of people use it as a workspace, or where you store your golf cart. A lot of the communities down here, you'll see lots of people riding around in the golf carts. This is the mud bench, and then your laundry room. So your washer and dryer will be on that wall ahead, and then you even have cabinets over on this side too. That looks great. And that'll have a sink in it because there's the plumbing. That'll come in handy. Okay. Continuing on into the heart of the home, you have a beautiful staircase here, and then a 2-story living room that opens up into the kitchen with this ginormous island. And I love that it is a different color from the wall cabinets. So your drop-in cooktop will be straight ahead because the vent is directly above it. And then you'll have your ovens and your microwaves straight there. And then here's where your refrigerator will go. So you got cabinets above where the refrigerator is. And then over here, you have your butler's pantry, cabinets above and below. And then you have your food pantry in here. Nice, very big pantry. And then you have your eat-in kitchen area straight across. It's a nice size area. And then in your island, you'll have your sink and then your dishwasher. And this is a pull-out trash dispenser. So that's nice. That's a great feature to have, guys. Beautiful fireplace and a bathtub. Well, that's new. Wouldn't that be interesting to have one of those in the family room? Tucked back here in the corner is the master bedroom. Another really tall ceiling, just like the office. These windows are operable. 3 big windows in the master, brings in lots of light. And then of course the master bath. Wow, I love that tile. Holy cow. And they've got the same tile as on the floor, even though they have it covered up. There's pieces of it that's kind of tore up so you can see. But you have separate vanities. Hers, nope, his, and that's hers. The bigger one, she should get the bigger one. And then of course you have a dedicated water closet, so that's nice. You have a big old shower here. Nice big shower. You step down, pretty hexagon tile for the floor. And then of course the bathtub we saw out in the living room will be dropped in here once it's ready. And the master closet. So I love Britton when they do their closets because they're so thought out and they put so much built-ins and lots of hanging. It's like you're going into a department store. It's pretty cool. And then there's even over here on this side, tons of room in here. That is awesome. All right, now we're going to venture on upstairs. On the way, I'm going to take a little peek at the backyard through these windows. As you can tell, there's scaffolding out here. They are finishing up bricking and stoning the exterior back in the back. So, but you do have a great yard, and I mean, it's big enough for a pool if you guys did want to put a pool in it. See if I can get a better view over here. Yeah, that's good. That's a nice big yard, especially for this neighborhood. Okay, upstairs, as you can tell, you got a little catwalk up there that looks over into both the foyer and this living space. So that's really nice. And then at the top of the stairs here, we're gonna have a game and a media room. Right off to the right is attic space. So you got some little bit of storage area here, but this is more or less to be able to access your HVAC. And then we step up again here. Ooh, okay, so we've got game room, little reading nook area. And Britton's plans are open to the media room. So this will have a 5.1 surround already included. It's a big space. I think Blake, the salesperson at Britton here in Mustang Lakes, I think he said this is the biggest media room that they have. So I just want to point this out. This happens a lot in new construction. Every single one of my clients always asks, oh my gosh, there's a broken window. Are we going to have to pay for that? Are they going to replace it? Until you guys close and fund on the house, the builder owns the house. So of course they will fix that. That is not anybody's obligation except the builder. It's just part of construction. Okay, so this is a full bath over here. All these windows open and doors slamming, I apologize. And this is one of the remaining secondary bedrooms. This is a big room, lots of space. Just gonna go ahead and shut the door so it doesn't slam again. Okay, and then you have a walk-in closet, similar to the one that's downstairs. And we're gonna go out and check out, oh wait, I did want to show you this closet here. And you do have a little storage closet, like game shelf or whatever you want to put there. Awesome. So you have some steps here. I really think this is cool. I like it. Walking over, you can see down into the living area and down into the foyer. And then the last of the secondary bedrooms, you have storage closet here. This one has an ensuite bathroom. Another nicely appointed room, nice size. The closet's in this corner. And they just haven't put up the shelving for it yet. That's just gonna be attic access. And then the bathroom will have one sink, right? And then all this storage here. And then you can see the tile's been done. That looks really good. Awesome. So all the rooms will have operable windows. The only rooms that will not will be the dining room, and then as you can tell, the main living space. And I do believe I need to go check the kitchen windows again. Typically, those are all for aesthetic purposes, not operable. But we'll double check the kitchen windows. Okay, so yes, where your table will be, those are operable because one of them is open, so you can tell. And then over here, they're not. But that is it, guys. That looks so good. I love the tall ceilings. Okay, y'all, that completes the tour. This is such a pretty house. I love how it's coming along. We are not too terribly far from it being completed, so maybe a couple more months, even with the delays and everything. So you guys should be in here this summer. That's exciting. If you need anything, you know how to get a hold of me. For those of you who are watching for the first time, I'm Nicole Roan. I work with LivingWell Realty, and I would love to be able to help you with your new construction home in Collin County. So give me a call, text, email, or schedule a Zoom with me via the link below. Until next time, y'all, take care and God bless. Bye.